Welcome to room 1304 at Disney's Pop Century Resort, located in the 1950s section. I stayed here in April of 2024. It was my first time staying at Pop in years, and honestly, it'll probably be my last. I had a number of issues with this room, and I'm going to get into all of those with you, but I'm going to begin with the lighting. On the wall, when you walk in, there is this glaring plastic bubble light. I don't know what its purpose is in terms of theming, and it was so distracting I had to turn it off right away. Really low quality. I will have other issues with the lighting, which I will show you here in just a second. But first, this is a look at the different coffee and tea and creamer that are provided with your room. Step down from deluxes, so that's a deluxe resort, so that's to be expected. And then down here is the beverage cooler, not a mini fridge. This is a trend with Disney lately. This only cools to 41 degrees and above. The room came with the Hey Disney devices. Some guests like these, some don't. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. My next issue came with the pull-down bed, and oddly enough, it also has to do with lighting. Where the headboard comes together with the back wall, you can see this space here. It was very loose, rattled quite a bit, but what really caught my attention was this piece of tape hanging down. And it's because the light is not working. There is a light that shines behind Pluto. Wasn't working in my room. So strike two for lighting in this room. I also noticed the furniture had a lot of wear and tear, which again, to be expected with the value resort, but even so, it just didn't look very clean. Or well taken care of. There were noticeable stains, as you can see, on different fabrics and cushions. Perhaps this is due to low quality. I'm not entirely sure, but it just it's not quite what you would think when it comes to a Disney resort. So I was disappointed to see that. The light switches here control the lights on the headboard. Moving over to the dresser, I really appreciate the amount of outlets and charging ports that were included with this room, and the use of space in storage. This is something Disney has gotten better at in recent years. But while I appreciate the number of outlets and ports, not all of them worked. I went to plug in my phone here, and this whole outlet moved. Disappointed to see that. Another issue I had is that even though this is not a DVC resort, you do not get housekeeping every day, only every other day. It used to not be that way. Moving into the bathroom, another example of Disney using space and providing plenty of storage. I like this little mini closet setup and a place for shoes. And I was impressed with just how much storage there was in the bathroom area. There are some deluxe resorts that don't have this amount of space and storage in the bathroom. You do get some of the formerly known as H2O products, now just simply Disney Resort products. And bonus points for illuminated mirror. Moving into the other part of the bathroom, it is a tight space. That is to be expected at value resorts and moderates. There is a pocket door, which really does help. And here is a look at the shower head and the handheld shower. While Pop Century and its rooms have been updated in recent years, that doesn't necessarily mean they've been upgraded. I don't think the quality in their furniture, the decor, and the standard of cleanliness is what it once was, and it's a clear example of where Disney has been cutting corners. I honestly hope Pop Century takes a page out of its own focus on nostalgia in the resort's future refurbs, but for now, I think I would recommend an off-property hotel before I would Pop Century.